State regulators are putting several major food manufacturers on notice that they have until July 1st to be in compliance with Maine's ban on chemicals known as phthalates. Federal studies show exposure to the chemicals is linked to concerning health effects, especially in young children.
The cease and desist letters come after tests showed the harmful compounds can be found in a number of products on grocery shelves. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee has our update.
The Department of Environmental Protection tells News Center in a statement that the agency has sent letters to 3 different food manufacturing companies. The warnings come after evidence shows they distributed and sold products violating Maine's ban on chemicals known as phthalates in food packaging. The letter said, quote, "Any food packaging containing phthalates must no longer be offered for sale by July 1st of 2022. Non-compliant products must be removed from stores." Goya Foods Incorporated, Constellation Brands Incorporated, and Ahold Delhaize, the parent company of Hannaford Supermarkets, are being singled out after tests from 2 different labs found phthalates in products from Sofrito sauce, sodas, and Corona Extra beer.
The vast majority of products are already in compliance. It's really about going after the laggards who are not following Maine's law.
Patrick McCrory is the Deputy Director of Defend Our Health. The nonprofit environmental advocacy organization collected the samples and helped draft the phthalates ban. Commonly used to make plastic less rigid and more pliable in food processing equipment, phthalates can leach into products such as mac and cheese, snacks, frozen pizza, and baked goods. The chemicals are also in the lining of jar lids and metal bottle caps. Federal scientists have expressed concern about phthalates for decades. The chemicals can disrupt hormone production, with pregnant women and developing babies at higher risk for health problems. Last month, the FDA rejected 2 petitions from a group of public health, food safety, and environmental organizations urging the agency to prohibit the use of phthalates. Catherine O'Brien, an attorney for Earth Justice who filed the original petition 6 years ago, is based in Maine.
And they said they may take a new look at the safety of those uses in the future, but there's no timeline for that process.
Until that happens, advocates hope more companies will switch to safer alternatives in their food processing to better protect consumers.
It's really just a matter of the corporations that own these big brands taking responsibility and making the change.
DEP officials, meanwhile, say Goya Brands has pledged to no longer distribute food packaging containing phthalates after July 1st. Representatives from Constellation Brands and Delhaize tell News Center that the products in question are now in compliance with Maine law. Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.
The DEP is also requesting that all 3 companies certify that all their products distributed in Maine are compliant with state law. We'll have more information about phthalates on our website and our News Center Maine app.